Hey Luca, why does humanity need massive energy resources? And how do they make electricity? Also, what's the deal with renewable versus non renewable?
Great questions, Carlos. We need them to power our electrified world, homes, factories, gadgets, generating electricity at a scale to drive progress. Non renewable resources, like finite fuels, deplete over time. Renewables, like the sun or wind, replenish naturally. Let's break down nuclear as a non renewable and solar plus wind as renewables.
Cool. How does nuclear fuel work? And what is the good and bad about it?
Picture this. Nuclear energy starts with fission, where uranium atoms are split in a reactor core, unleashing massive heat. That heat boils water into high pressure steam, which rushes through pipes to spin a turbine, basically a giant fan, connected to a generator that converts the mechanical energy into electricity via electromagnetic induction. Advantages: its energy density is off the charts. One tiny pellet packs the punch of a ton of coal, and it delivers reliable baseload power around the clock. Disadvantages: it produces radioactive waste that stays hazardous for millennia. There's a rare but scary risk of meltdowns like Chernobyl, and that upfront costs for building reactors are sky high.
Whoa. Now solar. How does that generate power? Pros and cons, perhaps?
Solar power is all about capturing sunlight directly. Photovoltaic cells in solar panels are made of semiconductors like silicon. When photons hit from the sun hit them, they knock electrons loose, creating a flow of direct current. An inverter flips that to alternating current for the grid. Pros: it emits zero greenhouse gases during operation. Costs have plummeted, making it affordable, and the sun supply is literally endless. Cons: it's intermittent. Output drops with clouds or at night, and utility-scale farms require huge swaths of land, potentially disrupting ecosystems.
So, for a whole country, what's your ideal energy mix and why?
I'd go 40% nuclear, 40% solar, and 20% wind. Nuclear locks in reliable base load with dense power. Solar and wind crush greenhouse gases for eco winds. It balances low cost, smart space use like rooftops and offshore, and steady supply, just like Europe's hybrids, slashing emissions 30% sans blackouts.
Whoa, that's cool. Power the future wisely, guys.